How to get auto likes on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, getting access or auto likes on Instagram will have to make you will have to make your captions catchy and use popular hashtags. In order to get that, simply open your preferred browser, or you can also simply download the application. The application is called Poor Liker. Now, install this application. You can directly install it from your Play Store or your Apple Store, and there you will be able to find several hashtags that are popular at the moment. Now, all you have to do is copy it and paste it in your caption, and you will get auto likes on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.